Hey there, I'm Anne-Marie from Dovetail, and in this video I'm going to talk you through a common question from researchers around what's the best way for us to plan our taxonomy and how should we differentiate between global and local tags. Now, if you are at the stage where you're planning your taxonomy, we recommend using and getting an understanding of extensions. So this is the feature in Dovetail where you can house global tags. Global tags being the themes and meanings that are going to come up across multiple projects and may not be specific to the subject type in one. Some examples could be competitors, products or product areas, features, and even sentiment of feedback. If you're not sure whether a tag should be global or not, you may want to initially create it as a project level tag. Here I have one called Delighted. And if you do want to level that up into being part of your global taxonomy, you can simply click on the three dots to the right, move to, and select where on your extension tag board you'd like to move it. Now I can see it appearing on my experience factor board. Depending on the size of your research team and the frequency of your research, you may want to review your tagging taxonomy and update your global tags more or less frequently. We see this happening on a quarterly or even half-yearly basis to keep things neat and standardized within your workspace. Thanks.